Welcome to Calvin Rockett Bike Night right here, beautiful Marshalltown, Iowa. And we have anybody from out of town? Anybody from out of town make some noise? All right, that's a good percentage of you guys. Because motorcyclists like to go places and find places to ride, right? Yes. So ride places tomorrow night. Ames is having a bike night. You guys got to check it out. Down to Main Street, 200 to 400 block, Ames, Iowa, bike night. And then Saturday, I'm sure you guys know, the Abate District 6 is doing a fundraiser for the Iowa Veterans Home. Sign up starts at 10:30 Saturday morning right up here at the home. The final destination is Rumors. And this is all to benefit the Iowa Veterans Home Residence Fund. Kind of stuff they need to like buy toiletries and that kind of stuff. So this is something good for our boys and women that have served and put their life on the line for our freedom that Uncle Sam is now turning his back on. So we need to be out there and show them that we've got our military covered. We also want to mention we got our friends from BACA here, and they've got a chapter here in Marshalltown. It's a worldwide organization. If you guys don't know what BACA is, you really need to at least go over there and talk to these folks. And if you think you know what it's about, you still need to go over and talk to them and find out what it's really about and all the good things they do. So we appreciate this event being sponsored by the great Zalstra Harley Davidson out of Ames. Man, I had to ask if I said that right, because here I am. I talk for a living sometimes, and some words, man, I've got like tongue-tied, and but I got that one good. You should have heard me doing the junior hockey team and these guys were like from Latvia and the French Canadians and the real heavy Canadian names. Oh man, there was one kid that hated me. He would look at me every time I go to announce his name, and he would just grimace, because no matter what, I would not do it right until like the second to the last game, and then the team moved. They got sold. Anyway, folks, we appreciate you guys being here. The reason why I'm here and just talking to you guys is I'm doing a little television show here called Motorcycles in Marshalltown. And it's about all the facets of being a motorcyclist and all the good things that motorcyclists do, like groups like BACA, like all the good charitable things that we have to go on, like the fundraiser tomorrow or Saturday for the Iowa's Veterans Home, like F&J Racing with the Blessing of the Bikes. A lot of people don't realize all the good things that motorcyclists do, and they need to be brought out to the light about all the good stuff that they do, the positive aspects of having motorcyclists. I call them temporary tourists on two wheels, coming into a town, leaving money, leaving and taking away great memories and new friends, because that's what it's all about. And that's what the television show is about, to try to expand motorcycling and get more big local events like Indianola, Winterset, Newton, and now Ames is doing a big monthly bike night. Because the more this stuff happens, the better it is for everybody, and it makes the economy work. Because when you guys go out and do stuff, people put money in their pockets that wouldn't have had it, because you guys are out here supporting your American country. So thank you guys for being out. That all being said, I'm going to be going around, and again, the show is going to be eventually be on the Mediacom Community Television, MIC-TV 121-8, and it will also be available privately for a small fee of 6 cents, because that's a fair, easy number, and it goes into some other number very easily. Oh, and well, now we got 6 wheels parked by 3s. Those things are like all over the place now. They had a whole convention just for those things in like Kentucky 2 months ago. It's amazing. And we appreciate you guys being here. Get ready for some great music. And I mean, this guy, I've worked with him several times, and each time it just gets better and better and better. It really does, because I start to pick up some of his original music and start to understand some of the great meanings behind his really soulfully written stuff. And the other cover tunes that he does a great job. So you guys know him. Get ready, because right now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to introduce this gentleman is the real deal. Give it up. This is Richard Arndt.
Woo! Thursday, August 27th at Calvin Rockett.
Oh yeah. Be right back, Pipes. All right. Thank you, Pipes.
Let's try that. All right, I think we're going to classify this as sound check. Says I didn't get to do it earlier. Yes, sir. That's right. I wrote it myself. It's called sound check. All right, let's see. How about this?